all started with a sale time purchase video for me here on YouTube, so I thought it was absolutely appropriate for me to continue to do videos about my sale purchases. And here I am. So let's get started. So the sale that I love the most, and I'm sure all of you love the most, is the Zara sale. Yep, so that's the first sale that I went to. One thing that I'll tell you about the Zara sale is that you must try and go for the Zara sale. Whether it's on the first day or the 10th day of the sale, try and go for it in the first couple of hours of the Zara store opening. Simply because things are much more organized, you will be able to see everything that's on sale. If you go during the evenings, it's a complete fish market and there's nothing you can see at all. So go in the morning. So the first thing that I bought from the Zara sale is this stand bag. It's on the bigger side, but that's how I like my bags because literally my entire world fits inside them. This bag was for $17.90 and I think it was a great buy for the price. So that's why I got this. So I did get 2 pairs of shoes for myself from this sale. The first one is this red one. It's a red pair. It's a round toe. I don't have too many of these. It's got a chunky heel and it's got ankle straps. So this was for $19.90 and the original price was $37.90. Good price, huh? The other pair of shoes that I got was this pair. It's black and it's a pointed toe thing. It has an ankle strap and the heel is absolutely perfect. It's not too tall and it's not absolutely flat. So that was the Zara sale. Then I went for the West Side sale. For the West Side sale, if you can reach on the day of the preview, then you'll get some great bargains. But after that, you will find nothing at all. So from the West Side sale, I picked up this pair of flats. I think I love animal print and I think it's chic and classy and it'll never really go out of style. So this is what I bought from West Side. Then from West Side, I also bought a kurta. It's red in color and it's an anarkali thing. It hits, it's a long anarkali and it hits me at the ankle. So I love the length, I love the color, I love the fit. I got this for $5.99 and the original price is $10.99. So I really like this kurta from West Side. You'll see it on the blog soon, I'm sure. This is another kurta I got from West Side. I like the print. I thought it was a very fun, quirky kind of a print and the colors are also fun. There's purple, neon, red, so I think it will be a fun thing. And it has no slits on the side, so I could even wear it as a dress. It's going to be fun to kind of style this thing. Then the lifestyle sale is not one of my favorite sales, but I still went for it simply because I wanted to pick up a few things for my home, and their home section is pretty nice. But on my way to the home section, I happened to spot this bag and it's black and it's got studs, and I got this for my sister because it was a steal. I think this was for 950 rupees and I think she'll enjoy it. So okay, so right in the end I went to the Landmark sale and I picked up some books. None of these books were really on my must-read list, but I saw them and they seemed interesting and I picked them up. So the books are Calcutta Exile. I haven't read it yet. There's Amrita Shergill Life. This one I have been wanting to read for the longest time. I think I read about it in one of the fashion magazines and her life seems very fascinating. Unfortunately a little short. I hope it lives up to my expectations. I'm really looking forward to reading this one. Then I also got More Salt Than Pepper by Karan Thapar. And then there's this one which is Good Night and God Bless by Anita Nair. I've started reading this one and it's not really, if you're into fiction and things, it's not really a story, but it's really well written. And so this was all for my sale season purchases. Other than this, I did get a few things for my home because I have been very inspired by all the interior and home decor blogs that I have been looking at, and I have realized that I haven't put too much effort into my home and I haven't given it too much personality. So I'm on a quest to add that. So I've been buying things like wall art that you can see, and I've been doing some DIYs, and I'll share the videos with you soon. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you here more and more often. And take care, bye.